So I opened up a computer. The first thing that is of concern is, of course, the hard drive. It's not booting, so it has crashed. That's what the issue is. The computer is also fairly dirty, very, very dirty. So I'm gonna have to clean it up for you. So I'll remove this drive, just check it up, see what's going on. I see that you have got almost 8 or so partitions here. That's also an issue. So there's a couple of factors which we can address. Yeah, but I would think that if we are to replace a hard drive, get you a brand new hard drive, that can be a good start, you know, so that you can perhaps use this as an external, so that you give a computer quite a good start again. I'll check everything on the motherboard to see what else is, yeah, but the computer boots. Is just that right now the Windows is crashed, so at least where we are, it's not that bad. So I'll keep you updated in the morning to see what's going on, but let me know how you want us to proceed. Yeah, then we take it from there. Thanks.